Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to our Colby Sew Along Day 2. The Colby from Petite Stitchery Co. Sorry. Fabric Day is always my favorite. I love fabric so much. So this is always kind of my favorite day to see what everybody's making and using and to just get inspired myself. Sorry. This sinus infection is really getting to me. So this is a super easy pattern to cut out. There's not a whole lot of pieces. It's really awesome if I'm not experienced in bra making. So this is the perfect pattern for me to kind of get my feet wet and to see a little bit of the experience of bra making without all the hardware and bells and whistles. And the first one I made, I loved. It was super. I did the plunge with just the 1.5 inch waist or the 1.5 inch band, and the fit was amazing. I loved it. And so this one I'm going a little bit experimental. I am going to do the 3-inch waistband this time, and I'm going to do the peekaboo cutout. I thought with Valentine's Day around the corner, it might be kind of a nice surprise for hubby. I don't know. We'll see. But so that is what I am going to be sewing today or this week. So I don't know, I'm kind of excited to experiment and play around with it a little bit. This pattern is designed to be cut. You can make it with gallon lace. I've seen some gorgeous ones. I don't have any gallon lace, but I do have like regular kind of lace. So I thought I'm going to try it a little bit different. So if you cut it with gallon lace, there's amazing instructions in the pattern tutorial. So definitely check that out in case you need to kind of get some tips on exactly where to cut it, because I know certain parts need to be cut on certain parts of the gallon lace because you want the scallops in the right place. So definitely if you're doing that, check that out. And then make sure if you're using gallon lace that you add 2 inches to your liner on your side cups. So with that, what I did actually is I cut out my liner. I used some of our, pardon me, amazing double brush poly in heathered white. Look at how gorgeous that is. I'm really excited. So I made this, I have it in heathered white, and then I had this blue lace left over from a dress that I made years ago. And I thought, I have just enough, I think, to make a little cover for the bra. So I'm going to do, I don't know exactly how I'm going to do this yet, because the way that it's made is everything is, all the seams are enclosed. So I'm wondering if I do this, will the seams show through this? So like instead of doing just one, should I treat this as one piece and then make a lining? I might have to do that, like end up treating these as one and then have just a separate lining. I think I'm going to probably do that now that I'm thinking it through. Thank you for being my soundboard. Just because I want this heathered white to show a little bit, and then that way too, it'll prevent the seams from showing when I enclose it all in. So I'm going to be doing that. So that's, anyways, getting back into it, cutting fabric. If you're just doing regular, I really recommend something with good recovery, good 4-way stretch. I've made it out of honeycomb before. My first one I made out of honeycomb and I loved it. This one, like I said, I'm using a stretch lace and then some of our Luxe double brush poly. And then, I don't know, I'll probably use some more Luxe double brush poly for the lining. But you'll want to have an outer and a lining. And then you'll want to cut the side cups, the front, and the back, as well as a band. And that's it. If you're going to do the peekaboo, you'll cut the peekaboo out of the front. So don't cut it straight across. You'll kind of cut that arch into it. Like, let's see. So here you can see you're going to cut that little arch into it instead of just cutting across the front. And what I did hear about the peekaboo is sometimes it likes to spread, and to kind of help hold that in, to add elastic to that arch. So I'm going to try that out, see how it goes, if that holds things in a bit, because I need a little bit more holding in. I can't believe I'm saying this on the internet. Oh my goodness. Okay. But that's it for cutting this out. It's super easy, super quick. You don't need much fabric. I think it's like 7/8 of a yard or 5/8 of a yard or something. There is something floating around back there that I keep catching in the camera, and I'm like, spirits. No, I don't know. It's probably just dust. But yeah, I'm excited. Tomorrow we're gonna start sewing it up. I think tomorrow, I don't know. I think maybe we'll just sew the front and the back, or maybe we'll sew the main and then sew the lining and then put them together, and we'll figure it out. But I'm excited. We'll do it tomorrow. Oh man, this is great. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. I think I'm at that point where I'm like delirious sick. Not really, but you know, that where you're just kind of silly. But okay, anyways, I'm signing off for real. I'll see y'all tomorrow when we start sewing up our Colbys. Bye.